so me and Jason, we're having fajitas for dinner tonight. So I wanted to show you what we got. We got most of this at Target, but Target's lettuce was gross to say the least. So I'm
having cookies.
Those sound so good. Put those away. So I'm gonna show you what we are using, and they're super easy. They're gonna be delicious. I'm so excited. So we picked up this fajita sauce. So it's 1 point, I believe, for 2 tablespoons, which I'm just gonna use the whole thing and divide it into 3 chicken breasts. So I'm gonna cut these up, cook them in this. So first I'm gonna saute the veggies. I just have 3 peppers, and then we got a whole bunch of cheese because Target's cheese was really crappy. The aisle was just not a good selection, right, Jay? So
well, if you want a market pantry, sure. If you want to go to a real grocery store and get, like, you know, 8 different types of cheese, go for it.
So we got Taco Bell cheese. I'm just gonna use a little bit because this is such a low point dinner. And then I don't know if Carb Balance is what I got before, but I thought I used to get Carb Counter or Carb Cutter, whatever, and it was only 1 point. Now they're 2 points, so I don't know what the deal is there. We got some shredded lettuce, some taco sauce, and then I found fat-free refried beans. For half of a cup, it's 0 points. And then I might make some rice. So let's start cooking and let's get our peppers cut up. Okay, you guys, so now Jason's gonna cut up the peppers. So we got this cool guy at Target, right? And it cuts up onions, peppers, whatever you want, fruit, whatever. So we put it on the thin one, right, babe?
No, I put it at the 3/16.
Okay, so anyways, watch. Jason's gonna do it.
Show him the sign.
Oh, it's so fancy. Okay, anyways, so now.
And it comes with different cutting things. So Target, little shout out to Target. So if they want to sponsor us, that'd be fine.
Oh my god. Look how easy it is. Just throw the other peppers, it's fine. And then you're done, boom. And then just cut them in half and look at that. So easy. I love this. Indy, do you love this? Yes, we do. Cutting up the chicken. And Mr. Jax, or Frankie, whatever we call him, is the judge. Him says that I'm doing an excellent job. And we're just frying up the peppers, and Jason's my new videographer. So yeah, just cut the chicken up in strips like this. You guys, so now I have the chicken in the pan, and it's gonna cook really fast, but I put a little bit of water in there so it doesn't burn. And then I'm gonna put the fajita stuff on the side, and then when the chicken's done, just add this, and I will show you guys what that looks like. I'm really excited. I hope this tastes good. And then just heat up your tortillas, your beans, whatever you prefer, and then I'm gonna make some rice too. Hey you guys, don't mind the mess, but I pointed this out, and the light sour cream is 2 points. Taco Bell 7-layer for 1/4 of a cup's 4. The jasmine rice, you can cut this out and it'll save you points, but I love white rice. 2 tortillas, the beans are 0, and the fajita mix is 2. So this whole meal is only 15 points. These refried beans that I have are literally 0 points. So you could eat a whole cup essentially if you wanted. But yeah, I will show you what they look like when I dish up. Okay guys, so here's my plate. I wanted to kind of show you though how I make sour cream light, or how I make my sour cream last. So I do like a tablespoon, and I'm actually doing this because I want to save a point. And then I just put a little bit of water, literally just a tiny bit. Okay, so it makes a mess, but it thins it out really good, and you can get a lot of bang for your buck. So I'm gonna just put that on. You guys, these are huge. I'm gonna be so full. I'm so excited. I put a little tiny bit of rice. So I did half a cup of rice, and then this is what I have left. And then I did half of a cup of beans, and then I did a little tiny bit of beans on here. And then I did 2 scoops of the fajita mix on each taco. So yeah, for 14 points, this meal's not bad at all. Perfect timing. My camera's gonna die, but here's my dinner. 14 or 15 points. I'll put it on the screen here. Super delicious. I'm so excited, you guys. Try that fajita mix. I did try it in the pan before I put it in my taco, and it's so delicious. If you guys try these fajitas, let me know, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for cooking with me. Bye.